Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another step-by-step guide. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BUSD from Ledger Nano X to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance USD securely between these popular hardware wallets, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions involve risks, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have both your Ledger Nano X and Arculus Wallet set up and ready. You'll need BUSD in your Ledger Nano X, so if you don't, transfer it there first. Start by connecting your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you haven't already, install the BUSD app on your Ledger device by going to the Manager tab in Ledger Live and searching for BUSD. Once that's done, navigate to the Accounts section in Ledger Live. Select your BUSD account and hit the Send button. This will open a screen where you can enter the details for your transaction. Now, switch over to your Arculus Wallet app on your mobile device. Go to the Receive section to get your Arculus Wallet address for BUSD. It's crucial to copy this address accurately. Double-check for any typos, as crypto addresses are case-sensitive and one mistake could send your funds to the wrong place. Back in Ledger Live, paste the Arculus Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees that might apply. Especially since we're dealing with blockchain transactions in 2025, fees can vary. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm on your Ledger Nano X device by checking the screen and pressing the right button to approve. After confirmation, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to your Arculus wallet and refresh to see your BUSD arrive. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn your funds. In conclusion, withdrawing BUSD from Ledger Nano X to Arculus Wallet is a secure way to manage your crypto, but always prioritize security, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.